guys, here we go. This was just left by the UPS man. Pretty sure it's just the Rivian all-weather mats. Let's take a look at what's in here, because I also ordered some center caps, and I don't know if they're all in the same box. So let's see. All-weather mats with our fellow Rivian logos here. What's this on the side? If there's anything here. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Dun, dun, dun. Looks like we got third row. Looks like we got second row. And of course, we've got the front row. So we got them for all three rows here, the Rivian R1S. Sadly, my center caps are not in this box, so I guess we'll just be waiting for another package to show up. Alrighty, we'll see what they look like when they're in.